Today we go to a supermarket. This place has many items. We shop calmly. We use easy words. Let us start now. Welcome to the channel English Stories for Listening and Reading. This is easy English for beginners. Listen slowly and enjoy the story. I walk into the supermarket. The door opens wide. The room feels bright.
I walk in with you.
I take a shopping cart. The cart rolls slowly.
I hear the wheels.
I see long aisles. The aisles look clean.
I see many shelves.
The shelves have food. I see fruit first.
The fruit looks fresh.
I pick some apples. The apples are red.
I choose bananas.
The bananas are yellow. We put fruit in the cart. The cart feels heavier. I push it gently. We walk to vegetables. I see green lettuce.
I notice carrots.
I add lettuce inside. The leaves feel cool. I add carrots now. We move slowly. Many people shop here.
I see families.
I see workers too. Some people smile.
The place feels busy.
We hear soft sounds. Music plays lightly.
I hear voices nearby.
We go to the bread area. The bread smells nice.
I feel hungry again.
I pick one loaf. The loaf feels warm.
I hold the bag.
We place bread inside. Next is the milk section. The floor feels cold.
The air is cool here.
I take one bottle. The bottle is heavy.
I help you.
Thank you. We keep shopping. I check my list.
The list is short.
We look for eggs. I find a carton.
The carton looks safe.
Eggs go in the cart. We walk to snacks. I see many colors. I see chips and cookies. I choose cookies. The box is small.
I nod with a smile.
Now I ask questions. Where are we shopping?
In a supermarket.
What fruit do I pick? Apples. Who pushes the cart?
Me.
How does the place feel?
Busy.
Good answers. We continue shopping. The cart is full now. We walk to the checkout.
I see the counter.
A cashier waits there. The cashier says hello.
I say hi back.
I place items down, one item at a time.
I help with bags.
The cashier scans items. The machine beeps softly.
I watch the screen.
The total shows up. I take my wallet.
I stand quietly.
I pay with a card. The cashier smiles.
I feel relaxed.
The cashier gives bags. The bags feel heavy.
I carry one bag.
We move away slowly. We head to the exit.
The door opens again.
Fresh air comes in. We step outside together.
The sun feels warm.
We stop and talk. Shopping went well.
I think so too.
Food is important. Planning helps us.
I learned new words.
Now more questions. Where do we go now? Outside. Who helps at checkout? The cashier. What do we buy? Food. How do you feel now? Happy. Great job today. The story is done. Let us review words. Supermarket, cart, fruit, bread, cashier. Have a wonderful time with English Stories for Listening and Reading.